Hello everyone, I'm Shabi Tawfiq. Today we are going to work on something really important. We are going to work with the input and output, meaning how to read and write from the console. That will be cool, but before we get started, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Unity Expert. Let's open up MonoDevelop. What I'm really want you to understand right now is that coding you can't understand everything at the same time, and this piece of code is automatically generated. Can be hard to understand word like class, using system namespace, or a class, are some words are difficult to understand. They are not easy to understand without previous knowledge on programming. What we are going to do is that we are going to ignore most of this and focus uh, right now on the method main. For now, we are going to ignore the namespace using system. The class, we are going to focus on that between the two brackets. What's here is what we can call it a method. A method, it is very similar of what you know as function on Unity script or using C# in Unity. This method called main. It's called when the program starts. That means that everything we put inside those code brackets will run as soon as as we run our program. Our program. Console dot access. What this means is we are going to access to the console class. Class dot, it means we are going to access to all the stuff inside the class. For example, console dot write line. As you see, it suggests, as you can see, it suggests uh, some different stuff what you do while we write. That's a super cool thing. And we can also when we have one object selected, you can see that we can view a summary of what it does. Write line, it's one of 19. That's mean 19 parameter we can use. That basically means it will show a similar work of the console that we are going to open two parentheses. This is how you call a function. This is the function write line. So everything inside those parentheses is what we call a parameter. It's a way to pass a value into the function. Some functions don't even have a parameter, and some functions like this one can have multiple parameters. And to view what kind of parameters this method can take is console. It's the same console dot write. That's mean one of 18 type of parameters this function could have. That means it can be called in different 90s ways. Let's type this. Now we are going to work with the string parameter. Console write line hello world. Let's run it. Start. Hello world. As you can see, it's automatically generated and it's automatically displaying on the screen. The same we can work with the read. As you can see, it suggests three types of read function: read, read key, and read line. The description of the read, it reads a value of a variable. Read key, that's we are going to use. Read key, that's mean where we press something, it closes back down. Let's try it. Hello world. When we press down any key of our keyboard, for example H, it closed automatically. That's pretty much for the end of this video. I'm Shabi Tafiq. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.